guys, here we go with another video. We're getting ready for Pela, second last race of the year, because you get winter where I'm at. So that's outdoor race, off-road, and then it's stand doors. Got everything with the Ninja buggy, photo short course, e-buggies, e-truggies, and everything. See you at the races. Alright guys, here we go. We're at Pela, race 5. Got the St. John tent over here as usual. Back. Now the race, he puts up his car. They're just doing 2-wheel drive buggy right now, heat 2. So it's a pretty good day today. Over here we got some TLR drivers. We got my techno spot. We got Associated. We got Dario stuff over here. Got more. Everyone's just racing right now. No one's in the pits. Over there we got some PEI. Right there we got some PEI in the timing system. Over here we got Matt. So we're just getting ready. Pretty good day. We finished our first heats with my technos. So my EB 48.4, my SE 10.3, and my ET 48.3. I got third in my 8-scale buggy, third in my 8-scale truggy, fourth in my 4-wheel short course. So yeah, it's been a pretty good day, and I'm doing decent. I got fourth with my 2-wheel drive my 2-wheel drive buggy, and I got fifth with my 2-wheel drive short course. It's been pretty good days so far. So we'll see how it goes. All right, talk to you guys later.